I'm here with San Diego sensation, my little bro, little Brill Bro Braggins, if you will. He's an amazing swimmer. Brandon, tell me something. How do you feel about swim lessons?
Good.
What's your favorite part about swimming?
On strokes.
Strokes? What kind of strokes?
The funny strokes.
Oh, I love it. What, are you faster than me?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna beat me in a race?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna beat you so bad. What do you gotta say about that?
Beat you more.
Say it's on like Donkey Kong. Oh, well, you're gonna be faster because you have less teeth than me. Show me your teeth. Show me your teeth. Look at the camera. Whoa! All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's Brandon. All right, we noticed some things with Brandon's swim. We're gonna fix it real quick. Brandon was a little bit tired at the end. Were you tired at the end? Yeah, we gotta fix that. His arms were a little crazy. He is a little floppy, so we're gonna take it back to the fundamentals and just go into streamlining. And then I like to call it a pizza. You start with the crust, add the toppings, and eventually you have a pizza. So we're gonna start from the basics. Check this out. Say, over and out.
Over and out.
All right, Brandon, we're gonna take it back to square one. We're just gonna do that streamline again. When I say pizza, you're gonna take a side breath, right? Ready, nice and straight, because swimming, you have to be super straight. Ready, go! Kick, 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 kick. Pizza! Good, side breath, back down. 1, kick, 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 2, 3, 4, pizza! Good, 1, 2, 3, 4, pizza, nice and straight, good, 2, 3. Brandon, we're off to a good start now. Do you have any girlfriends you want to say hi to?
No.
No girlfriends?
No.
Ooh, yeah, right, seriously? Okay, why are you all giggly, dude? Hey, you looked a lot better. You were in a straight line, is that better to swim that way? Yeah, you were faster, you got less tired. Now let's add the next part of the pizza. We just did the crust, now we're gonna add the sauce. Help you with that side breath again, but you gotta do the 4 strokes by yourself, okay? Hey, can we do our drags with our elbows up and our fingers down? Yeah, all right, goggles on, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the next big star. Whee! Ready, get set, go 4 strokes, okay? And then I'll help you the side breath, go. 2, 3, let's see, 1 more, and then a side breath. Other way, okay, we'll go that way. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. And then side breath, good, again. 1, 2, 3. Wow, you're in a straight line. Side breath. You're in a nice straight line. 1, finish it, Brandon. 2, 3. Side breath. Woo! 2, good job. 3, 1 more, 1 more. Breathe. Beautiful drags. See, I'm having Brandon drag his fingers and keep his elbows up because it's actually gonna get him used to swimming properly when he does his real freestyle swim. Oh, that's a pop-up. Elbows up, buddy. 2, see, that's the nice position. When you're doing a freestyle swim, you want a nice relaxed arm, but a high elbow and high shoulder. And that's where we're teaching Brandon right now. We're starting him early. He's building that muscle memory. Keep going, buddy. Elbow, kick, kick, kick. 3. Oh, whoa. So I'm noticing his side breath is a little off. And this is the time where you pull it, you stop them, you address the little problem they're having, and fix that side breath. We're gonna fix that side breath. We're just gonna make it very simple, very easy. Brandon, how are the wife and kids?
I don't have wife and kids.
Oh man, start a family already. Get a job. Come over here, dude, arms in front, ready? We're gonna just do streamline. But when you do your side breath, you're gonna hold that position and practice laying down, okay? Lay your head down. Ready? Get set, go. Arms are front. No, here we go. Can you breathe? Make sure this is the position your head wants to be in, okay? Side breath, just like that. Now finish it, dude. I've noticed that Brandon is ready to add the next layer of his pizza. So now I put some flippers on him. He's gonna do it all by himself. So the flippers are gonna help him because he's not gonna have to focus so much on kicks. Now we're gonna focus on those high elbows and those low fingers. So it makes it an easier swim, but he still has to use his arms. Check this out. Are you ready, Brandon?
Yes.
Here we go, buddy. Ready, go. Nice elbows. So I'm gonna stop him and remind him to go straight. Dude, remember, we gotta swim straight, okay? Remember over the black dots? That's why we're doing this whole thing, remember? So let's pull up, good, nice and straight in a straight line. Good, elbows. Let's practice that side breath together. Good, here, we're gonna do that side breath together, ready? Side breath, side breath. Wait, stop, lay down, arm on your side. Now go, good. Good. That last thing, just have them keep practicing. Take the flippers off, take the flipper, put them back on. Just remember, swim straight like an arrow. And Brandon, do you have anything else to say to the camera?
No.
How about, look at the camera.
Coach Josh is the best coach in the world.
Aw, dude.